Hello there, this is Justin with Carbon, and we are assembling the Rev Neo. This is just a general assembly guide of this motor and gearbox because it comes unassembled. So you get the motor, you're going to have 2 screws and take them out. You'll tighten them there. I've been using this green Loctite because it's designed for little threads. Then on top of that, you have to make sure you get your little keyway in there. As you can see, it slides up and down. Then this adapter goes in place. And you're gonna put each gear set on there. I like to align the gear sets so the words face the same way. So you can see what sizes for them this way. They are. Each gearbox comes apart like this. So you have to align the planetary gear set with the others. Then this is the part that is specific to Carbon. You're gonna take your tooth gear and this outer gear set. There is a bolt in the middle. But you're gonna put it all together, take the printed parts. There should just be one, but I have 2 because I was testing a bunch of things, sizes and depths. So you can take the 2, or your printed part, slide it on top of there. Then you're gonna take that. And you see how where I cut is just below here? You want to cut the shaft below the face of here. So there you go. Then you also need to make sure that the threads are usable. And then you're gonna need to, after you cut it, put it all together, put your Allen in there, hold that with some pliers. Or some like adjustable wrench or something like that, and then you can tighten. You'll be able to tighten this, but we're not going to tighten that yet because it won't fit over our part. That's just for cutting this shaft. I already did it, so it's hard to show you. Now, I'm going to go back to assembly. Now, when you go to put this on, should just fit in. There we go. And then you're gonna take the 2 bolts, add your green Loctite, and then they go from the back. Then now, when that's tight, go ahead and you have your spacers on there. This plate, you need to countersink these 4 holes. So, and what that is that'll bolt to the outside plate. Now, I'll put in the description exactly what these are. I think these are 9/16. There's some American size. And also include the dimensions of this washer. These all I got from Home Depot. So, and we're only using 3 of the 4 screws. I'm just gonna remove that top hole out of there, so that way but that just won't be visible on the production parts. The chain actually hits it, so you don't want to tighten them too tight. You can use something that's an Allen or a socket if you want. I just grabbed these, like I said, I just got them from the hardware store. I'm not getting them too tight, like I said. Then you get those on. I'm gonna take this. Add Loctite, but I'm not, because I'm gonna take this right back apart when I'm done filming. If you're having issues tightening this, it doesn't need to be super tight. It shouldn't spin on you. Yeah, it should be good. If you're having issues, you hold it, you can, or whenever you get it installed on the drive and you tighten these and you set your chain, then you can go ahead and actually torque this. But you're also gonna have to make sure you can break it free when you put it on there. But that's the beauty of the Loctite, so that'll hold that in place. So thank you.